The way that we measure energy use typically for a building is EUI. And it's a measurement of a building's annual energy consumption relative to its gross square footage. Now consider two buildings. The owner has identified that they have a target EUI of 180. Building 1, same size building, is going to have a simple HVAC system that is targeted, that can meet that 180. Building 2, they're going to design a complex building to meet that 180. So through the design process, through the modeling, we determined that the EUI for building 1 with a simple HVAC mechanical system is 173 kBTUs per square foot per year. The complex system, we have an awesome 132. I say awesome because it's relative to this type of facility. The problem is a year later, the EUI for the simple, we're at a solid 177. We're continuing to meet the project requirements. The complex building, we're at 230. Okay, this is indicative of a system that's too complicated to be maintained. Something went wrong. The mechanical cost for the two systems, $42 per square foot for the simple, $66 per square foot for the complex. So the owner paid for a complicated system that's not even performing the way it was promised to. The maintenance costs associated with that complicated system, $12 a square foot. My main point here is to show that just because a design may prove efficient on paper, usually does not mean it's going to be efficient 1, 2, 3 years down the road. It also has to be efficiently maintained. So it's not just the design component, it's also the O&M. Okay? And it's not just me taking a building back to my office and designing it with no feedback from anybody else and say, hey, Mr. Owner, here's your design. Okay? It takes involvement from all parties in order to produce an efficient design. So I'm identifying this is a problem. Okay? I'll get into the solutions, but this is a problem.